Okay, let's go up here to images. This brings up the images for Allison Martino. Okay. But we're going to focus in on this image. Okay. And this one, okay, brings us to this Facebook page. First, I want to go to the image. Behind the woman, if you notice the tan wall with like a white molding, I'm pointing that out now because later that's going to be important. And when we go to the web page that this photograph is associated with, it comes up as Allison Martino. Now, let's bring up the Facebook page for Julie Lesser. Okay. Now, let's bring up a past photograph of Julie Lesser. This does establish these two people in these pictures are one and the same. And now if you notice the tan wall with the white bar, as I pointed out before. Here it is, just like that. If you notice that, we're behind the person. And we can go back to the Allison page, which then takes us back to the photograph that's coming up under Allison Martino. And again, we notice that tan wall and the white bar. So it is my belief that Allison Martino and Julie Lesser are one and the same, which would explain why many of the profile avatars for Julie Lesser, she's always covering her face, as we have seen in her most recent one, such as this. However, this one she slipped. And again, notice the background, the tan wall with the white bar. And when we go back here to Allison Martino, and how we got to this page was from this image, supposedly of Alice Martino, but again, we see the tan wall and the white bar. I'm just documenting this because this all may disappear. So now there is a preserved record.